Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to fix Play Store crashing in phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix Play Store crashing in phone, first open up your Play Store app, and after opening up Play Store app guys, at the top right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon. Tap on it and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the settings option over here. Tap on the settings button, and over here you can see the about option available for us. Tap on the about, and after that you can see the update Play Store button available for us over here. Tap on update Play Store either to find out is your Play Store requiring an update, and if your Play Store is requiring an update and it's not updated, your Play Store might be crashing because of that. So after making sure guys your Play Store is up to date, check whether your Play Store is crashing or not. After updating your Play Store guys, or after checking it, open up the settings on your phone, and after opening your settings guys, scroll down, and after that you can see the apps button available for us. Tap on the apps button and tap on the app management at the top of the screen, and search for Google Play Store after your page loads guys. So let's search for it, and you can see there is the Google Play Store. Open it guys, and from over here you need to tap on the storage usage option available for us. Tap on the storage usage and check either your Google Play Store has stored a lot of cache memory, and tap on clear cache if it's too much. And after clearing your cache guys, again check either your Google Play Store is working or not. And after clearing out the cache guys, if it's still not working, you can force stop your Google app from over here. You can see the first stop button. If we go back from the previous step over here, tap on the first stop and the Google Play Store app will force stop and you can restart it. So with that all being done, if your Google Play Store still crashes, then go to the storage usage and tap on the clear data button over here, and your Google Play Store app will be resetted on your phone and it will start with a new look, and you'll have to log into all of your account. All of your data will be wiped out. And with that being done guys, with these 4 options, your Google Play Store crashing in your phone will be fixed. Or else check your internet connection or reset your phone. And with that being said guys, this is how to fix Play Store crashing in phone problem. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.